Yeah. Oh yeah, I knew it. Tom or GD? So guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to catch a trevally. Not a giant trevally, but depending on the spot you're fishing and the water. So what spot I am fishing, it's a spot where not a big giant trevally is there, but a normal trevally. So for these I'm using the zman laguna shrimp, the 2.5 inch curly tail lure. And most of the time guys, the trevally, they always feeding on the water. You will see them running with behind some fish like a mullet or something. So I see some fish there. I think it's a trevally, and which is behind the small mullets for feeding. So the thing is that we have to wait. You have to see where exactly the thing is happening, and so as soon as you see the fish where is feeding, you have to throw right there and just retrieve behind it. See, there was one more fish, so we have to target the place. We cannot cast wherever we want, but we need to cast it where exactly the fish is feeding. So it's a big chance of the trevally to get hooked on your lure. So let's see. I think there was one trevally there. It didn't feed, but I saw it. I saw the body on the water. Let's see if that trevally can catch the lure. So basically, oh shit, there was a big trevally there now. Oh yes, arey yaar. Oh yes. Good size trevally guys, actually. Oh yeah, he's giving the bite. The trevally might change the position as well, so we just need to keep an eye where exactly it's feeding. Oh see, there was one more. Basically guys, I'm catching this trevally because I'm going to do a bait fishing, so I need some live baits. So that is the reason I'm catching it. Live bait or might we can make a fillet of it and just cast it for, just use it for bigger fish to catch. Yeah. Oh yeah, I knew it. Tom or GD? That's a good fight of all. Oh yeah. Very small one, but see the fight guys. Oh, I saw this fish there feeding. Wow guys, this one is caught on the laguna shrimp, curly tail. Excellent. This is the size guys. This one is caught on the laguna shrimp guys, and this fish I might keep it because I'm going to do bait fishing, so I don't have any bait, so I'm going to use this fish for the bait. Alright guys.